Field surveyors play a crucial role in the development and planning of various projects, and Chattarpur, Delhi is no exception. With its rapidly growing urban landscape, Chattarpur requires skilled field surveyors to assess and document the existing conditions of the land. These professionals are responsible for gathering accurate data about the terrain, structures, and utilities in the area. By conducting thorough surveys, they provide essential information that contributes to the design and implementation of various projects in Chattarpur. One significant aspect of field surveying in Chattarpur is the incorporation of SCON design principles. SCON, which stands for Site, Context, Object, and Network, is a design approach that focuses on creating sustainable and contextually appropriate solutions. Field surveyors in Chattarpur must understand the specific requirements and challenges posed by the area's unique context. By considering factors such as topography, climate, and existing infrastructure, they can develop designs that maximize efficiency and minimize environmental impact. Delhi, as a metropolitan city, presents its own set of challenges for field surveyors in Chattarpur. The city's rapid urbanization and population growth necessitate efficient planning and development strategies. Field surveyors need to navigate through congested areas, gather data amidst bustling activity, and adapt to the dynamic nature of Delhi's landscape. By employing advanced technologies such as DGP systems and remote sensing techniques, they can accurately collect data while minimizing disruption to the city's daily operations. Field surveyors play a crucial role in the development and design of various projects in Chattarpur, Delhi. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys and gathering accurate data about the land or area in question. Their expertise and knowledge are essential in ensuring that the design and construction of projects are carried out efficiently and effectively. Chattarpur, located in Delhi, is a rapidly developing area with numerous construction projects taking place. Field surveyors in Chattarpur are in high demand due to the need for their specialized skills in accurately assessing the land and providing vital information for architects, engineers, and developers. These professionals use advanced tools and equipment to measure and map out the area, including its topography, boundaries, and existing structures. The role of field surveyors in Chattarpur goes beyond simply collecting data. They are also responsible for analyzing and interpreting the information gathered during the survey. This analysis helps in identifying any potential challenges or limitations that may need to be addressed before the design phase begins. By identifying these issues early on, field surveyors contribute to the overall efficiency of the project and help minimize any potential delays or cost overruns.